Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. Today we are going to cook some ackee and saltfish. So you got a tin of ackee here. Your codfish, I've already scalded it off, so I've boiled away, take away all the salt, and I've picked it up to whatever size you would like. I've got chopped onion, tomato, thyme, scotch bonnet pepper, and sweet pepper. So I'm gonna get started by warming up my pot first. So first you pour your oil in. A little bit more. Then I'm gonna start by frying up all my seasonings. For about 1 to 2 minutes. So you want to keep that crunchiness going. And then you're going to add the saltfish next. Then I'm going to add my saltfish. Okay, I think I'm going to just revoice it. Okay. Add your black pepper. The oil is quite small, so it doesn't looks like I'm putting a lot, but it's not. Black pepper. Fish season, just a little bit.